Introduction and write numbers 41 to 50.
Students, see in this chart. How many bits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 bits. How many bits? 10. बच्चों देखो इस चार्ट में यहाँ पर बिट्स है. कितने बिट्स है ये? 10 बिट्स है. और ये जो एरो है ये हमें क्या बता रहा है? ये 10 बिट्स को हमने इस धागे में बांध दिया. देखो इस धागे में कितने बिट्स है? काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. जब 10 बिट्स को इकट्ठा एक साथ बांध दिया जाता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं 1/10. When we tie 10 bits in a chain, we call them 1/10. जब हमने इसको चेन में बांध दिया है तो यहाँ पर कोई सिंगल बिट्स है क्या? नहीं है ना. तो उसके यूनिट को क्या कहते हैं? कितनी यूनिट है अभी यहाँ? 0. जब 10 वस्तुओं को इकट्ठा बांध देते हैं और कुछ भी सिंगल बिट्स या वस्तु नहीं बचती है तो हमारा यूनिट 0 रहता है. तो 10s कैसे बनते हैं? 10 वस्तुओं को किसी भी चीज़ को एक साथ बांधने पर 1/10 बनता है. Student, see in this chart, here is 1/10 plus 1/10, 2/10s, 2/10s plus 1/10, 3/10s, 3/10s plus 1/10, 4/10s. Here is 4/10s. When we open this chain of bits, we got 10 bits. When we open this chain, we got 10 bits. 10 plus 10, 20 bits. When we open this chain, we got 10 bits. 20 plus 10, 30. When we open fourth chain of bits, we got 10 bits also. 30 plus 10. How many bits? 40. So 4/10s equal to 40. 4/10s equal to 40. So student, today we will learn how to make 41 to 50 numbers. Introduction and write numbers 41 to 50. See in this chart how many bundles and how many single sticks. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bundles of sticks and 1 single stick. We call them 4/10, 1 unit. 4/10s, 1 unit, 41. 41. 4/10s, 2 units. 4/10, 2 units. 4/10s, 2 units, 42. 42. 4/10s, 3 units. 4/10, 3 units. 4/10s, 3 units, 43. 43. 4 tens, 4 units. 4 ten, 4 units. 4 tens, 4 units. 44, 44. 4 tens, 5 units. 4 ten, 5 units. 4 tens, 5 units. 45, 45. 4 tens, 6 units. 4 ten, 6 units. 4 tens, 6 units. 46, 46. 4 tens, 7 units. 4 ten, 7 units. 4 tens, 7 units. 47, 47. 4 tens, 8 units. 4 tens, 8 units. 4 tens, 8 units. 48, 48. 4 tens, 9 units. 4 tens, 9 units. 4 tens, 9 units. 49, 49. Count this bundle of sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and unit is no. 0 unit. 5 tens, 0 unit. 5 tens, 50, 50. Students, we will read 41 to 50 numbers. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 4 tens, 1 unit. 41. 4 tens, 2 units. 42. 4 tens, 3 units. 43. 4 tens, 4 units. 44. 4 tens, 5 unit. 45. 4 tens, 6 units. 46. 4 tens, 7 unit. 47. 4 tens, 8 units. 48. 4 tens, 9 units. 49. 5 tens, 50. 5 tens, 50. Read and write numbers. 4 tens, 1 unit. 41. FORTYONE 41. 4 tens, 2 unit. 42. FORTYTWO 42. 4 tens, 3 unit. 43. FORTYTHREE 43. 4 tens, 4 unit. 44. FORTYFOUR 44. 4 tens, 5 units. 45. FORTYFIVE 45. 4 ten, 6 units. 46. FORTYSIX 46. 4 tens, 7 units. 47. FORTYSEVEN 47. 4 tens,
8 units 48 FORTYEIGHT 48. 4 tens 9 units 49 FORTYNINE 49. 5 tens 50 5 tens 50 FIFTY 50.